In this video, we will know how to install n8n locally on our PC. Begin by searching for download node.js in your web browser and navigate to the official node.js download page. Select the Windows installer.msi option to begin downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the default settings, and click Install to complete the Node.js setup. Next, open the Windows Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and ensure you select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command npm in8ng and press enter. This will install n8n globally on your system. Please be patient as this installation process will take several minutes to complete. After the installation has finished successfully, type the command n8n start and press enter to launch the n8n server. The n8n web interface will automatically open in a new tab in your default browser, navigating to localhost 5678. To initialize your n8n instance, you will need to create an owner account. Enter your email address, first and last name, and create a secure password, then click Next. You will then be prompted to answer a few brief questions to customize your experience. Fill out the relevant details regarding your company and use case, then click Get Started. To unlock additional features available in the Community Edition, select the option to receive a free license key. A notification will appear confirming that the key has been sent to your email. Check the inbox of the email address you provided for a message from N8N containing your unique license key. This email may take a few moments to arrive. Once you receive the email, copy the license key, return to the N8N web interface, navigate to the usage and plan settings, click Enter Activation key, paste the copied key into the prompt, and click Activate to unlock your features. And that's it. You have successfully installed n8n locally on your Windows machine and activated your free community license. You are now ready to explore the platform and start building powerful workflow automations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more automation guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy automating.